Hello and welcome to basic A flat or G sharp arpeggios. We've already completed almost all of the white keys. Now we just did F sharp, C sharp, and A flat or G sharp of the black keys. So we already know the chords back in the basic section of basic chords. This is A major, or A flat major, this is A flat minor. We know how to scale up for both of them. Now we're going to add the extra tonic, or the eighth scale degree from A flat to A flat, and we're going to make a wider chord, which in the intermediate section, we're going to talk about these wide chords. We're going to take a wide chord and we're going to play one by one to make an arpeggio. So let's begin. First play A flat with your first finger, then you play C with your second finger, third finger is on E flat, and then fifth finger is on A flat. Then repeat again on C, E flat, A flat with your fourth finger, C, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, and then A flat, C, E flat, A flat. And you go down from A flat, so I'll do the fingerings. 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. So practice with your right hand until it's comfortable with one octave A flat major arpeggio. Okay, cool. Now we're going to move on to the left hand. I'm going to play pinky on A flat, middle finger on C, second finger on E flat, first finger on A flat, move on to C, E flat, A flat, C with the fourth finger here, then we go back to E flat, A flat, C, E flat, and then A flat, C, E flat, A flat. And now we're going to go down, A flat, E, and so on. And E flat, C, and A flat. Great. So practice with your left hand until you can play comfortably. You can pause the video if needed. Awesome. Now you know your right and your left hand can play the A flat arpeggio. Now we're going to play both hands at the same time. So we play fifth finger, first finger on A flat, then we move on to C, E flat, A flat, and move on to C right here. And then we move on to E flat, and then A flat. Now we move down from A flat, E flat, C, and A flat. Practice one octave with both hands together until you know it pretty good. Then we're going to go to 4 octaves all the way up and down on the piano. 25 times we're going to play skipping, and then the next 25 times we're going to play it straight, so 50 total. Excellent. We played 25 times skipping. Now we're going to play 25 times straight. Excellent. We played the major A flat 50 times. Now we're going to move on to A flat minor. The major is, we already just played it, And then we're going to move the third position, 1, 2, 3, down half a tone, which makes it into a minor. We are already familiar with these minor chords in the basic chord section, but now we're applying them as arpeggios. We're going to play them one note at a time. So let's start. I'm going to play A flat, B, E flat, and A flat. So B is the new note that is added. Then we go to B, E flat, A flat, B, E flat, A flat, B, E flat, and then A flat, B, E flat, A flat. And we go down. A flat, E flat, B, 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 and then A flat, B, E flat, B, A flat. So practice this until you feel comfortable. And you go down. Excellent. Once the right hand is good, you could play it pretty well. We move on to the left hand. So we start with A flat. We go to B, E flat, and then A flat. Now we go down. B, and A flat. Play left hand until you know it pretty good. Then we're going to put them two together. So, fifth and first finger are going to be on A flat, B, E flat, 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 A flat, and so on. So we already played one octave, now we're going down. Excellent. Once you already know one octave pretty well, then we're going to go 4 octaves up and down, playing 25 times skipping, and 25 straight, so that's 50 total. Excellent. That was 25 times skipping. Now we're going to go 25 times straight. Excellent. We're done with the basic A flat major and minor arpeggios. I want to congratulate you guys that you got pretty far. I mean, now you're probably seeing big results that you could actually play more often and more things that you couldn't play before. Even though we haven't even gone to the improvised section yet, I still want to thank you that if you gotten this far, that you're doing a good job. Keep going. There's still a whole intermediate section and advanced section. If you complete the basic section, you are going to play piano pretty well. If you complete the intermediate and advanced, you'll play like a master. If you apply these scales, chords, and arpeggios in the right way, and if you actually apply them and play them that you know them pretty good, you're gonna do just fine. Let's move on to the next video.